Haste makes waste. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Haste makes waste. This ancient proverb holds true even in today's fast-paced world. It means that when we rush to complete a task without proper planning or deliberation, we are more likely to make mistakes or face consequences down the line. Many of us are guilty of rushing through tasks in order to meet deadlines, or simply because we are eager to move on to the next thing. However, taking the time to plan and think things through can actually save time and prevent mistakes. To apply this proverb to our lives, we must learn to slow down and approach tasks with intentionality. This means breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and taking the time to consider all of the potential outcomes and consequences. By embracing this mindset, we can bring luck and success into our lives. By avoiding unnecessary mistakes and setbacks, we can also overcome difficult challenges by approaching them with patience and a clear, deliberate plan of action. In short, haste may seem like the quickest path to success, but it often leads to wasted time, effort, and resources. By taking the time to slow down and plan, we can ultimately achieve greater success in all aspects of our lives. The next time you find yourself rushing through a task, remember the old saying, haste makes waste. Take a step back and consider your approach. Are you taking the time to plan and think things through? Are you breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps? By embracing this mindset, you can avoid unnecessary mistakes and setbacks, bring luck and success into your life, and overcome difficult challenges with patience and a clear plan of action. Remember, sometimes the slow and steady approach is the best way to achieve success. In conclusion, the proverb, haste makes waste, holds true. In both personal and professional settings, taking the time to plan and think things through can ultimately lead to greater success and fewer mistakes. By embracing intentional and deliberate approaches to tasks, we can avoid unnecessary setbacks and achieve our goals with greater efficiency. Whether faced with a challenging project or a personal decision, remember to slow down and consider the consequences of your actions. In doing so, you can avoid wasting time, effort, and resources, and instead create a path towards lasting success and fulfillment. In essence, haste often leads to mistakes that we could have otherwise avoided. When we rush through tasks, we risk missing important details or taking shortcuts that can come back to haunt us in the future. By taking the time to plan and think things through, we can prevent these unnecessary mistakes and take a more intentional approach to our work and personal lives. Ultimately, slow and steady is the best way to achieve success and avoid wasted time. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.